Want to learn the entire Anglo-Saxon age in just one video, so don't skip this video. The Anglo-Saxon period lasted from 450 AD to 1066 AD, in which the three Germanic tribes, Angles, Saxons and Jutes, come and settled in England. And in those time period, the England or Britain is not known as England, that was been known as Angleland, because mostly जो Angle tribe थी वो रूल करी थी in mostly the area of the Britain. So that's why in those time period we called England as Angleland, and throughout the years the pronunciation has been changed and we know Angleland as England. जो ये three Germanic tribes थी, they believed in Weird. Weird means fate or destiny of a person. Weird, and they also believe in courtesy, horror, bravery, honor and many more things. So ये यूज़ कर रहे थे alliteration in their poetry as compare of rhyme, and use caesura or pause in their line to recite that poem or a line in easy way. So ये explore करते theme of love, honor, religious themes in their poetry or in their work. ट्रांसमिट करते थे जो ये अपनी पोइट्रीज़ को इन ऑरली, बिकॉज रिटन नहीं हो सके, बिकॉज ओल्ड इंग्लिश इज़ रियली different from the modern English and it's difficult to learn and write that language. So in 798 AD, St. Augustus come in Britain and spread Christianity all over the England. So the most important example of the epic of Anglo-Saxon age is Beowulf, the longest surviving epic poem of Anglo-Saxon age. The other poems are The Wanderer, Seafarer, Beowulf and The Wife Lament, The Dream of a Road and many more examples. So the important writers are Caedmon known for Caedmon Hine, Ceolwulf, Alfred the Great and Venerable Bede is one of the most important writer. द अल्फ्रेड द ग्रेट हेल्प करता है टू ट्रांसलेट करने में जो वर्क्स है इनटू इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, और जो हेल्प करता है टू जो इंग्लिश है उसको स्प्रेड करने में ऑल ओवर द ब्रिटेन. सो टू नो दैट कि इन 1066 AD द विलियम द कॉन्करर अटैक्ड ऑन द ब्रिटेन एंड डिफीटेड किंग हारोल्ड सेकंड. King Harold II को डिफीट कर देते हैं एंड रूल ओवर द ऑल ओवर द इंग्लैंड. सो आफ्टर दैट 1066 AD, so the Anglo-Norman period has been started. So in tomorrow video we will discuss the entire Anglo-Norman period. So thank you for watching.